back to yes another video. I was supposed to do this video last weekend, but unfortunately I didn't have the help, so that's why I didn't do it. But this week I had the help and it was so much fun to do, as you will see in the footage. And this one I really want to do for a very long time, and it's been in the trending for a while now. I see it on TikTok a lot these days, and people think it's cruel, and it's not. It's just kind of a challenge for dogs to see, will they stay there, will they jump over, or will they go through it. The only thing is, I forgot to do one thing, and you will see that I forgot to take one thing out of his mouth, and that was the tactic. Should have taken it out, but we were just so like ecstatic to get it all done, so that's why we just started to go with the flow basically. But anyways, here it is. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any video ideas, you know what to do, comment below. It would be much appreciated if you click that red button right there so you don't miss any of my videos every weekend, and also click the bell right there too, so then you get notified when I have weekly uploads. Enjoy the challenge, it was a lot of fun.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Aero! You go, you go. No, not you, Shauna. You go. Aero! 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 Come here! Come here! Come here! We go, walkies! Oh! Fuck's sake.
Making the crocodile was too much.
You're fucking went straight through it.
Get him out! Get him out! Get him out!
Oh!